Hello guys, welcome back to channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix HyperX Cloud 3 mic not working. If you're having problems with your HyperX Cloud 3 mic, don't worry. We've got some of the most common solutions that usually do the trick. The first and most helpful thing you can do is check your Windows settings. If you're not aware, Windows has privacy settings that control which apps and devices can access your microphone. So the first step is to go to your search bar at the bottom and type in privacy settings. Then open it up. From here, go to Privacy and Security and look for anything related to your microphone. Next, click on App Permissions and select Microphone. Make sure microphone access is allowed here. If microphone access is turned off, your mic simply won't work with certain apps. You also want to scroll down and allow specific apps to access your microphone, especially apps like Microsoft Teams or Zoom if you use them for meetings. Now, another thing you should check is your sound settings. Go to the left panel, click on System, and then choose Sound. Scroll down to the input section and make sure your HyperX Cloud 3 is selected as the default input device. Also, check that it's not muted. Sometimes this simple step fixes the issue instantly. If your mic is still not working, try restarting your PC. A fresh reboot can often reset your audio drivers and solve minor glitches. You can also update your audio drivers by going to Device Manager, finding your audio inputs, and selecting Update Driver. Another useful tip is to test the mic in another app or recording software to see if the issue is app specific. Lastly, if none of these steps work, try disconnecting and reconnecting the headset or even plugging it into a different USB port. Occasionally, a faulty port or loose connection can be the culprit. Hopefully, this video helps you get your HyperX Cloud 3 mic working perfectly again. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss more helpful tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Happy mic using.